Mae Hayley Lewis ar flaen y gad yn maes dysgu seiliedig ar waith yn y sector iechyd a gofal cymdeithasol plant a phobl ifanc. Through continuous professional development and a person-centred approach, Hayley, from Haverfordwest, is a respected member of the Health and Social Care team at training provider TSW Training in Bridgend. She draws on her occupational knowledge, which is contextualised with the specific nature of her learners' workplace, a particular strength for those working with vulnerable children and young people. Her strong but supportive method brings the best out of her learners, and she engages with employers to ensure that programmes are tailored to meet their needs. Mewn dim ond 2 mlynedd, mae Lara Baldwin wedi datblygu o fod yn hyfforddai i fod yn asesydd uchel ei pharch a dros 40 o ddysgwyr yn ei gofal. Y maes gofal plant y mae cefndir Lara, ac mae wedi trosglwyddo cyfoeth o wybodaeth a phrofiad i fyd dysgu seiliedig ar waith gyda ACT Limited. Lara has achieved a BA Honours degree in Education and Early Childhood Studies, swiftly followed by a Masters in Education. She also completed a higher apprenticeship level 5 in childcare to better understand and support the staff who she was mentoring. Mae polisi o annog dysgwyr i beidio bodloni ar y cyfarwydd yn talu ar ei ganfed i Melissa O'Connor o Portal Caerdydd, sy'n dal i arwain trwy esiampl. The former higher education lecturer encourages her learners who are on a higher apprenticeship in leadership and management across a range of sectors to set challenging targets. Melissa's own qualifications include a PGCE in Adult and Lifelong Learning, an MA in Education, and a higher apprenticeship level 5 ILM qualification. Oherwydd dyslexia, roedd Lynn yn cael anawsterau yn yr ysgol, ond gwrthododd ildio, ac erbyn hyn mae'n cynnig y math o arweiniad yr oedd hi'n deheu amdano bryd hynny. She is at the forefront of modern teaching techniques and invites tutors to view and use the resources she has developed through online collaborative platforms. She completed her Certificate in Education, PCET, and Practitioner in Basic Skills qualifications. But more recently, she completed a higher apprenticeship level 4 in Advice and Guidance. Rachel Lewis sy'n cael y prif glod am wella gwaith cyflenwi cymwysterau sgiliau hanfodol yn uned brentisiaethau Coleg Pen y Bont dros y 2 blynedd diwethaf. Through Rachel's nurturing and support, her learners have achieved a 90% attainment rate in 2017 to 2018, whilst adding qualifications herself. Having completed a TAQA Level 4 in Internal Quality Assurance, Postgraduate Certificate in Education, and Training in Digital Literacy Practitioner Level 3, she is now seeking a Level 5 diploma in Management and Leadership.